150-ton daily brine ice block factory showcase. Abundant ocean resources make the ice demand increasing, leading us to construct a factory with a daily output of 150 tons of brine-type ice blocks. Due to the local hot and humid conditions, we adopted stainless steel in our machinery for longer life. The plant makes 1,500 blocks of 100 kilograms ice day. Equipped with an ice storage facility capable of 350 tons of ice. To economize large-scale production costs, every brine tank is equipped with an ice pusher, a hoisting crane, and a defrosting pool. Only one person is required to operate. Once the ices pour out, the filling system quickly refills water for new ice production, saving time and costs. The ice plant features 3 separate lines. Capacity of 50 tons of ice per line. Ice machine unit advanced energy efficiency controls to cut electric consumption and boost energy optimization. Reflecting CBFI's dedication to eco-protection and sustainable progress. CBFI's brine ice block equipment delivers a stable ice supply to the local market. Not just providing considerable economic benefits to clients but also propelling local economic development.